Greetings of the day. Let us understand chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Generally, all metals show similar chemical properties, but their reactivities depend upon their nature and reaction conditions. Metals are different from non-metals depending upon their chemical reactivities. Now, let us understand first chemical property, reaction with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxides. For example, metals like sodium and potassium are some of the most reactive metals. They burn in the presence of air and form their corresponding oxides at room temperature. Therefore, they are always kept immersed in kerosene oil. If sodium is kept open, it reacts vigorously with oxygen and moisture present in the air and catches fire. Magnesium metal burns on heating with a white dazzling flame in the presence of air and forms magnesium oxide. Zinc metal reacts with air only on strong heating to form zinc oxide. Metal oxides are basic in nature because when dissolved in water they form metal hydroxides which turn red litmus blue. For example, oxides of sodium and potassium dissolve in water to form sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. In presence of moisture, iron metal is slowly oxidized to produce rust, that is iron oxide. This process, where a metal gets eaten away due to a chemical reaction in the presence of atmospheric gases and moisture, is known as corrosion. Similarly, copper particles also develop a greenish coating of basic copper carbonate on exposure to air. Silver objects tarnish with time and get a black coating of silver sulfide when they react with sulfur containing substances in the air. Gold and platinum do not react with oxygen in the air. This indicates that these metals have differences in their reactivity with the other metals towards oxygen. Non-metals such as carbon, sulfur and phosphorus burn in the presence of oxygen to form their corresponding oxides. Carbon, when strongly heated in the presence of air, burns brightly and forms carbon dioxide. Most of the non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. These oxides, when dissolved in water, forms acids which turn blue litmus red. When sulfur burns in air on gentle heating, it gives bright blue flame and forms a gas, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in water to form sulfurous acid. This sulfurous acid turns blue litmus red, which indicates that it is an acid.